Hello, healthcare terminology students. Welcome to week 3 of class. Well, last week we learned about key medical terms in conjunction with the integumentary system and the digestive system. We also reviewed the singular and plural roles. You all picked some really good terms for the pronunciation assignment, and I think that you're doing a good job on that assignment, so keep up the good work. Well, this week we are learning about medical terms associated with the muscular and skeletal systems, so be sure to review the lecture in the week 3 lesson folder. And then, of course, we have our discussion this week, and it is a very interesting one. And you're going to be doing some research on either osteoarthritis or osteoporosis. Don't forget to include at least 3 facts that you learned and discuss at least one type of exercise that would be beneficial to the musculoskeletal system while including those anatomical terms. Remember to review the grade rubric before posting, and remember that the discussion ends on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Also, make note that initial posts to the discussions should be placed by Wednesdays every week. You can always place them early, so if you want to place them on Mondays or Tuesdays, or even on Sundays, that's fine as well. All right, so our assignments this week are your pronunciation assignment. You're going to choose 20 terms from the given list this week. Remember to upload your assignment to the correct submission area. In the last couple of weeks, some of you have had some issues getting that uploaded. If that occurs, just reach out to me. If you upload something and it's, you mistakenly uploaded the wrong document, just reach out. I can reset that submission area for you. All right, your proofreading assignment this week. You can use the template that's given in class, and remember that you will basically look for those 10 misspelled terms. Once you find them, then you're going to correctly spell them and then define them. You can use that template given in class. If you're having troubles with that, sometimes individual computers don't work well with the template. Simply use a Word document. Just place the words on that with the correct definitions and submit that to class. One little trick that I've kind of suggested to everyone is take this scenario and copy and paste it onto a Word document, because sometimes that will help you find the terms that are misspelled. Now remember, the terms are always medical terms. They're not the general terms. Like last week, a lot of people chose 35-year-old. That's not a medical term, and it actually was not misspelled, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. All right, your quiz this week. There are 20 multiple choice questions. You're given 2 attempts. There is no time limit, so take your time on that. Don't submit it until you're absolutely ready. And then, of course, those final discussion board posts, kind of wrapping it up at the end of the week. There is a non-graded check-in this week that you will submit, and so once you submit that, I will read over those and I'll reply to you using the feedback area for the assignment. So towards the end of week 3, maybe check back in to see what I've, given you for a reply. That assignment is graded sort of, in the grade book, you'll notice it's either given a 0 or 100, but it doesn't count for your overall grade. It doesn't get factored in. But we just have to put some sort of numerical value in there, just so that it gets inserted. Okay. All right. So, once again, all of these assignments are due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Remember to refer to that tracking calendar to make sure that you're completing all the required reading and classwork each week. And also keep an eye on my announcements, because I do remind you of what's due every Saturday at midnight. All right. So remember, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me through that Ask Your Instructor area. You can email me at thebryantandstratton.edu, or you can also call or text me. I've provided my phone number in class, and I can provide it here as well. I should have included that in here, but it's 252-489-8263. All right. Thanks, everyone. And I look forward to seeing you in the class discussion.